My dear novice writer, when you first entered our fellowship, you were a novice writer, uncertain of your path and searching for the words to express your ideas. Yet through perseverance, curiosity, and courage, you have traveled farther than you may realize. Together, we faced challenges, forged new skills, and transformed obstacles into opportunities for growth. Step by step, lesson by lesson, you learn not merely how to write, but how to think, question, analyze, and communicate as a true scholar. Today, as we gather at the end of this journey, I ask you to pause for a moment and reflect upon how far you have come. The writer who began this adventure is not the writer who stands before us now. You have mastered academic vocabulary, crafted cohesive abstracts, strengthened your voice, and learned to present your ideas with clarity and confidence. Through practice, persistence, and determination, you have developed the tools needed to thrive in the academic world. But this ending is not truly an ending. It is a beginning. For today, you lay aside the title of novice writer and proudly assume a new one, Professor Prodigy. Wear it well. Be proud of yourself as much as I am. May your curiosity continue to guide you. May your words inspire others. May your research open new doors. And may you never forget that every accomplished scholar was once a beginner who chose not to give up. Thank you for allowing me to walk beside you on this remarkable journey. It has been an honor to witness your growth, your dedication, and your transformation. Farewell for now, Professor Prodigy. The next chapter awaits you, and I have no doubt that the heights you shall reach will surpass even your own expectations. As you venture onward, remember the core belief of our fellowship: love teaching, transform learning, transform lives.